I don't know if you guys remember, I talked a lot about results, and that's what we can reward on, is based on results that we get. And so we set a KPI for like, hey, if you get X result, you're going to get X reward. And so we'll just scroll down a little bit. Keep going, right there, right there. All right, so let's see. So Andrewski right here hit 13,681 gross. He netted 1.5, let's call it. So 1.5 deals. Let's give him a round of applause. So we know what that means again.
Got it rolling.
No way.
Let's go. Great job, Andrews.
That's awesome. Let's go.
Look at that.
Show
Let's go.
Speech, buddy.
Rolly speech.
Yeah, so I mean, I actually asked Dakota I think 2 or 3 years ago. I was like, "What do I got to do to get a Rolex?" And
That's so crazy.
yeah, I think the first goal was we made it 2.5 or it was something like that. And I think in 2023 I did 1.8, 1.9 net profit. And I was like, "Dang!" I felt like I was so close, but it was still so far away. And then I just think obviously I've been here the longest time. None of that matters. I think I still obviously have to show up and do the work, but I just think with everything last year, and I think just growing more as a person, and obviously I'm always driven by results and money, and that's what I was driven by at the very beginning. And obviously I follow a lot of Dakota's footsteps. I would say from the whole time I've been here, tried just modeling everything he did, and obviously it's paid off and got me to where I'm at. But now I'm in a similar position as him, wanting to find other areas of my life and stuff and things that he's been doing. So I just think that if it wasn't for Canny Boy, Bradley, and some of the other guys that left that did pay contribution to everything and helped me, I don't think it'd be possible with that. And then Johnny selling my deals, Kane selling the deals, and then TC, Derek, Zach pushing them through. And I know I've had to do a lot of work to get to where I'm at, but I'm just grateful to have you guys and everything. And I wanted to earn it first before buying one. I said once I hit $1 million net worth or over, I'd buy a Rolex, but I wanted to it feel more special if I earned it and put in the work. So yeah, just super grateful to do what I've done and become the person I am, and yeah, just feels pretty unreal. So I just think without Dakota and stuff, it wouldn't be possible. So I just pay all my respects to him. I know I've done the work, but I don't think a lot of other leaders or bosses or people would do what I guess he's helped do for me. So yeah, it means a lot. And just building with Ryan, Bailey, and some of the core guys from the beginning, and to get to where it's at now. So I just want to continue to pour into other people, and yeah, just continue to be a better example here for you guys. So yeah.
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 This guy's saying this might be the first time in all my years of coaching that I actually posted about an acquisitions guy on my platform.
Let's
So
go,
this guy
dude.
crushed his 2026 goals and acquisitions with a high 37 contracts and a 90% close rate in 1 month.
Wow.
So I tagged you in it if you want to share it.
Let's go, of course.
Yeah.
Good job.
So,
Good
Yeah,
job.
I would say Gary too, being here in 2024. I left actually. I mean, everybody knows why I left for a month and a half, and Gary had Gary ripped into us up there at the thing, and obviously after that, I still left and everything to go find who I was. But at the end of the day, obviously I found myself back here, and I think that's the difference, is being around people and seeing a bigger vision and picture here with what you guys and the leaders are painting. Versus just going out there by myself and just trying to figure stuff out. And I just learned a lot, and there isn't a lot of stuff out there like this. And I think obviously I came back, so I want to build with everybody. And I think if it wasn't for Gary having those hard conversations with me there, and a lot of the people and seminars and stuff I've done the whole time here, I've hit a lot of rock bottom moments and kind of just been through the ringer. So I think if it wasn't for a lot of all that stuff, I don't know where I would be without those people that see something in me So I think that's important too, is like people that see stuff in me. So appreciate you guys seeing something in me and just being able to actually come in and get results and take action. So
Yeah.
Charlie, bro.
Rolling!